बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो में MS वर्ड के MCQs हम कवर करेंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपसे एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which of the following is not paper size? 4 options are given: legal, executive, landscape, A3. The correct option is C. Which shortcut key is used to bring up the find and replace dialog box in MS Word? Ctrl+J, Ctrl+H, Ctrl+N, Ctrl+M. So the correct option is B. What is the shortcut key to display field codes? Alt+F9, Ctrl+F9, Shift+F9, Space+F9. So the correct option is A. You can delete text by selecting the text and pressing the Ctrl key, selecting the text and pressing the Delete key, selecting the text and pressing the Alt plus Page Up key, selecting the text and pressing the Exit key. So the correct option is B. When you insert a comment in a document, the comment appears in a new window, sidebar, sticky note icon bar, balloon. So the correct option is D. Microsoft was founded in 1970, 1972, 1975, 1981. So the correct option is C. A Ctrl+Enter command will open a new document, create a new page, create a new paragraph, create a new line. So the correct option is B. The Protect document options can be found in the Dash tab of the ribbon. Review, Insert, References, Edit. So the correct option is A. Which function you will use to add names and addresses of different recipients for each copy of the letter? Envelopes, labels, mail merge, drop cap. So the correct option is C. Default font size in MS Office 2007 is 12 pt, 11 pt, 13 pt, 14 pt. So the correct option is B. In MS Word, shortcut key for split a window or remove the split view: Alt plus Ctrl plus S, Ctrl plus Alt plus V, Ctrl plus Alt plus O, Ctrl plus Alt plus N. So the correct option is A. MS Word offers the different views of a document: 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct option is D. By default, your document is printed in dash mode: landscape, portrait, page setup, print view. So the correct option is B. We can remove or hide border of a shape by selecting no line, no outline, white line, no border. So the correct option is B. In MS Word, to insert mathematically sign, we use option, symbol, objects, shapes, equation. So the correct option is D. In MS Word, Ctrl+Shift+C is shortcut key of copy, indent left, paste, copy format painter. So the correct option is D. In MS Word, to highlight text, line or any other particular informative paragraph, we use different font color, background, shadow, font size, font effects. So the correct option is C. What would you do when you want to update a data in an embedded worksheet range? Double click the worksheet range object, right click worksheet range object and choose format object. Edit the data in the destination document. Edit the data in the source document. So the correct option is A. Which command is used to establish a link between a source document and destination document? Tools, link, documents, tools, link, edit, past special. So the correct option is D. आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही काफ़ी है। इंशाल्लाह अगली वीडियो में आपसे मुलाकात होगी। तब तक इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।